Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart to Hand Creations and Events. Today on this channel I am doing another door wreath. This time this is for my door. And what I have here is a repurposed door wreath. Refurbished it with white spray paint and I just did spritzes of it and dusted it to make it have the flocked look. Alright? This is so it can have that flocked look. Here we go. Right? Looks cute. Looks alright like that. But to accessorize this wreath, I have glittery gold curls. And I have this piece right here, which I'm going to use to help make the focal point pop. It'll go on that way. And then I have two silk glitter gold glitter leaves. It's only two. It was from another project that I had last year this time. I have three floral glitter flowers, floral pieces rather, that have clip-ons on the back. Glitter gold, right? I also have a doorknob hanger. I have a few pine cones, glitter pine cones that have the leaves to them, the silk leaves. And I have this gold bird. I also have an initial. You know, guys, I don't know if I'm going to use all of this stuff, but options. I like options. I have the word believe. I also have lights. I have these disco balls. I call them disco balls. But I have the what do you call it, mosaic glass mirror ornaments. And the cutest thing that'll be on here, these Christmas ornaments right here. I think they are so beautiful. I'm going to go back and get 6 more. I'm going to get the long ones. They look like eggs. And 3 of them and 3 of this style. Really nice. And I think that's all of the accessories. If I need more of these coils, I have some sticks that I can make a few. They might not be as long as these, but they'll still work if I need them. All right, and to achieve this wreath that I'm about to do, I have a hot glue gun. I have this stick to curl up this wire in case I need more curls. My wire and some wire cutters. I also have needle nose wire cutters, but these, you know, what I have will work. What I have there will work. And so, guys, let's get started. At this point right here, guys, I was having a hard time with the lights, and I decided not to put the lights on it. It was a real struggle. The lights wouldn't work right. Then once I got them on there, it just didn't look good, so I took them off. This will go on here like this, and because I'm not going to glue this on, but I'm just going to use a couple of the branches to kind of tie it down in place like that. What I could put on next would be these leaves. One facing up, one facing down. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put these on. Because I can put them like that. I do want to put them close together. This is going to go right smack dab on here. Just like that. And this one, I think I want to put this right here. I'm going to put the other one. Okay guys, now I have installed not door knocker, the doorknob hanger, and I just put the second bulb in place, and I'm just waiting for it to dry good. And this is what we got going on so far. Okay, and then where are they? Those disco balls, I keep calling them disco balls, is in place where I think I would like for them to go. And I'm definitely going to take these strings off. Yep, and I just want these to randomly be put in place. Maybe this one's too close. Okay, I'm also going to put a pine cone here, like that. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put the pine cone in place right here. Put enough on, and I'm going to stick it in place. And the next one, the cone, I have to stand up for this. I'm going to put this cone over here on the other side here. Right here. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, I wanted to do the lights, but that was not a working situation. All right, and I'm going to put this pine cone over here on this side. And it looks like I'm going to have to put a disco ball. I'm still calling it a disco ball. I'm going to have to put something in between here. So let me cut this string off. Cut that off. Move that one out the way. And this will go in the middle. Right there. There we go. It's in place. I'm going to proceed to cut the string off the rest of these mosaic ornament balls. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I started placing, let me bring this down a little bit more. I started placing the mosaic balls. Oh, here's one I forgot to cut. Cut the string off, And so I'm going to start placing these around different spots. Put that one there. And this one, I would like for it to be, got to figure it out before it dries up right there. Okay, and now I have these little cuties right here. So what I'm going to do, since these are clip-ons, I'm just going to clip them in place. There, that's a good spot, right? I also have 2 more pine cones that I'm going to place. And where's the other flower? Here it is. Thinking of putting, ouch, pinch myself here. I want that there. Yes, I do. Because I'm going to put some more of these pine cones. I'm going to put this pine cone down here. And this one I will put right here. There. There, move that up. There. Okay. You just do a little shifting around here. All right, now I have these coils here to put in place. I'll show you where they're going to go. These extra coils, I want them to blend in like this. Have this pop out on the side here. And have some more right there. Probably have one sticking up right here. And maybe one more just to have it way over here up on the side. And this is going to hang in the middle right here. Just like that. So when I get this finished, as far as gluing down the other coils, I'll be right back. Okay guys, looks like everything is in place. And I am ready to hang it up and see what it's looking like. Now I decided not to use the word believe because I don't want this to look busy. You know, I have the word believe on here and also wind up having, you can't even see it from that angle, the word believe plus the initial. And then if I want to put the bird on here, that's just too much. So I decided not to put that on. And plus it would have been hiding the little decoration right there. So I think I'm just going to put this bird on here, right here, with that pretty tail right next to where the initial is. And I think that's going to work. So let's hold it up. And what's it doing, guys? What's it doing? And then it will, we won't be able to really see the fullness or the richness of the decorations until tomorrow. So I can hang it up during the daytime. In the day, with the daylight. Hang it on the door where it can be seen better. Spin that over. Yep. So that's what's doing, guys. I'm gonna hang it up on the door. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I like it. We have the jingle bells over here. Every time somebody opens and closes the door, we'll be able to hear it. Almost like our own little alarm system, huh? Alright, guys. That's the door wreath. So if you like what I did here tonight, let me know how I did. Give me that thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get that notification so you can see what else I might have going on next. Also, share and comment below. Anyway, that's what we have. Alright, guys. And I will see you in the next video. You have a great evening, a great morning, or great afternoon, whatever time of the day it is where you are. And I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, guys. Bye-bye.